Hi everyone, welcome to travelworld.ps, and today we are at the Niagara Falls State Park, which is the first state park in the US, established in 1885. First we are going to the observation deck to see it from the top, and then we'll be heading down and take a boat tour called Maid of the Mist to experience it from much closer and from the bottom. From this spot just under the observation deck is where you get one of the first views of the falls. From this ticket counter, you can get tickets for both the observation deck and the Maid of the Mist. And if you are doing the boat tour, the ticket for the observation deck is included with it. So this is the US side, I think, and that's the Canada side, and that's the boat tour that we're going to take. And you can see people downstairs waiting in the queue for the turn. So that's where inside the hut is, you get the ponchos and you put them on. Wow. It's just the half of it. There is one half on that side. I'm not sure what's visible in the video, but you know, yeah, without the glasses it's much better.